Continuing, properties of whole numbers. First property is closure property. When we take any two whole numbers and adding, we will get another whole number. When we take any two numbers or more than two numbers, by adding, we will get the answer as a whole number. For example, see 12. 12 is a whole number, is it? Plus 5. What is the value 12 plus 5? 17. 12 is a whole number, 5 is another whole number. When you add, you will get the answer as 17. Whether the 17 is in the whole number? Yes, 17 is also a whole number. Next, so addition is closure and under the closure property. Addition is whole numbers are closed under addition. Whole numbers are closed under addition. Then we can see the next. 7 is a whole number and 2 is another whole number. When you subtract 7 minus 2, that is 5. 5 is also a whole number. Let's take another one. 6 minus 9. See here. 6 is a whole number. 9 is also a whole number. When you subtract, can you subtract 6 minus 9? No, you can't subtract. If you are subtracting, it will give a negative number that goes in the integer. നമുക്ക് 6 minus 9 നമുക്ക് സബ്ട്രാക്ട് ചെയ്യാറില്ല, പക്ഷെ അത് സബ്ട്രാക്ട് ചെയ്താലും അതെന്തോ വരും, നെഗറ്റീവ് നമ്പറിൽ വരും. ആ നെഗറ്റീവ് നമ്പർ ഏതിൽ വരുന്നത്? ഇൻറ്റീജറിൽ വരും. നെഗറ്റീവ് നമ്പർ നമ്മുടെ ഹോൾ നമ്പേഴ്സിൽ ഇല്ല. ദർ ഈസ് നോ നെഗറ്റീവ് നമ്പർ ഇൻ ദി ഹോൾ നമ്പർ. Therefore, subtraction is not comes under closure property. Next, take multiplication. Say any two numbers. One is 8. 8 is a whole number. Then 4. 8 fours are 32. 32 is in the whole number. Therefore, addition and multiplication comes under what? Closure property. Additionum multiplicationum closure property satisfy. That is, in a whole number, addition and multiplication comes under closure property. Next, commutative property. Second property, commutative. Commutative property. Here one formula is there. A into B equal to B into A. A into B equal to B into A. That means A and B are the whole numbers. When you interchange the position of the number and multiplying, you will get the same answer. Teacher, എന്തോ പറഞ്ഞു, നമ്പർ ലൈനിൽ പറഞ്ഞു അല്ലേ, 4 3s are, 3 4s are. The answer is same. So for example, take A, any one whole number, say 7. B, another one whole number, 5. We're taking first number as 7 and the second number as 5. Multiply it. 7 5s are 35. Change. B into A. A into B is 7 into 5, 35. Then B into A, that is 5 into 7, 35. Both the answers are same. Here multiplication is comes under the commutative property. In addition, A plus B equal to B plus A. A plus B equal to B plus A. This is the formula for commutative property. A plus B equal to B plus A. So take number A equal to any one number, 6. B equal to 7. First take A plus B. 6 plus 7. 6 plus 7, 13. Then B plus A. Interchange it. 7 plus 6. That also 13. See the answer? Same answer. So here addition is comes under commutative property. So that means addition in a whole number, addition and multiplication are comes under the commutative property. അതായത് അഡിഷനും മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേഷനും കമ്മ്യൂട്ടേറ്റീവ് പ്രോപ്പർട്ടി കറക്റ്റ് ആണെന്ന് കാണിക്കുന്നു. So first property is closure property. Second one is which property? Commutative property. Then another one property is there, distributivity. 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 Here two method is there. One is distributivity of addition. Another one is distributivity of subtraction. Distributivity of addition. First we can see the distributivity of addition. First question, 7 into, okay, first we can see the formula, distributivity of addition. A into B plus C equal to A into B plus A into C. This is the distributivity of addition formula. What is that? A into B plus C equal to A into B plus A into C. Here we want to take how many numbers? 3 different numbers. So, then take it. A is 2, B is 5, C is 3. First write A into B plus C. That is equal to A. How much? 2. 2 into 5 plus 3. That is 2 into 5 plus 3. First we want to do the calculation which is given inside the bracket. ബ്രാക്കറ്റിനകത്ത് തന്നിരിക്കുന്നത് ഫസ്റ്റിൽ നമ്മുടെ കാൽക്കുലേഷൻ ചെയ്യണം. 2 into 5 plus 3, that is 2 into 5 plus 3, 8. So 2 8s are 16. 2 8s are 16. Next, take A into B plus B into C. That is, what is the value of A? 2 into B is 5. 2 into 5 plus B into C. 5 into 3. 2 5s are 10 plus 5 3s are 15. അയ്യോ തെറ്റിപ്പോയി. സ്റ്റോപ്പ് ചെയ്യണേ, വീഡിയോ തെറ്റിപ്പോയി. നെക്സ്റ്റ് പ്രോപ്പർട്ടി ഈസ് distributivity of addition. Here two properties, two of them is there in distributive. One is addition and another one is subtraction. First we can see distributivity of addition. That formula is, in addition, A into B plus C equal to A into B plus A into C. That is, take any three numbers. A is 5, B is 4 and C is 2. These three numbers are whole numbers. So first A into B plus C. In A, write 5 plus 4 plus 2. That is, not 5 plus, 5 into. That is 5 into 4 plus 2, 8. Not 4 plus 2, 6. That is 5 6 are 30. Second C, A into B plus C. In A, that is 5 into B is 4 plus C is 2. That is 5 into 4 plus 2. The number which is given inside the bracket, you should calculate first. So 5 6 are 30. Next, see the next one, A into B into A into C. That is A, 5 into 4 plus 5 into 2. Five fours are 20 plus 5 twos are 10. 20 plus 10, 30. See the right hand side and left hand side, both are equal. Therefore, A into B plus C equal to A into B plus A into C. This is the distributivity of addition. Next, distributivity of subtraction. Distributivity of subtraction. That is, A into B minus C equal to A into B minus A into C. A into B minus C equal to A into B minus A into C. A equal to 2, B is 3, C is 5. A into B minus C. 2 into 5 and 3. 5 minus 3. 8. A into B minus C equal to 5 into 3 minus 2 equal to 5 into 1, 5. You can check. A into B minus A into C, that is 5 into 3 minus 5 into 2. 5 3s are 15 minus 10 equal to 5. Same. A into B minus C equal to A into B minus A into C. A into B minus C give the values and we can get the LHS and RHS are same. Then additive identity. Which is the additive identity? Identity. Identity. First one, additive identity. Next is multiplicative identity. Additive identity. Can you say which a number is added to what number gives the same? ഒരു നമ്പറിനെ ഏത് നമ്പറിൻ്റെ കൂടെ ആഡ് ചെയ്താൽ അതേ നമ്പർ കിട്ടാറുള്ളൂ. Which number is added to a number? A number is added to a number that gives the previous number. That is, for example, 5 is added to what gives 5? 0. So 0 is the additive identity. Here 1 is the multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity. For identity, 0 is the additive identity, 1 is the multiplicative identity. So what are the properties we see? Closure property. That means any two whole numbers are added, the result must be a whole number. Then any two whole numbers are multiplied, the result is a whole number. Next, which one? Next is the associative property.